Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'll be making jerk shrimp tacos. Okay, so first I started off by cutting up some onions. Now I'm gonna cut up a tomato. Make sure you like the video, comment, and share it. Okay, so now that that's done, I went ahead and cut up some cilantro. So I'm just gonna add that to the plate. Okay, so now it's time to start the shrimp. So I just added butter to the pan, added the shrimp. Now I'm just gonna season it. Now it's time to add the jerk seasoning, and then I'm just gonna mix everything up. Okay, now that it's done, this is how it looks. I'm just gonna be using the flour tortillas, and I'm gonna start making the tacos. Comment down below and let me know what you put on your shrimp tacos. Now I'm just gonna be adding some avocado and lime juice on top, and I'll show you how it looks.